Hoverboard Hype Alert. The SIMATE that glows, beats and turns sidewalks into raves. Meet the SIMATE Hoverboard, a wild ride that turns your neighborhood stroll into a mobile party. Packed with Bluetooth speakers and LED rave wheels, this isn't just a scooter, it's a rolling concert stage. Whether you're gifting your tech-hungry kid, showing off at the park, or just refusing to act your age, this all-ages hoverboard keeps things lit. Literally. Unlike clunky models, it self-balances like a yoga master, letting even total beginners look pro in minutes. Say goodbye to boring walks and hello to cruise control with Flash. It's not just a ride, it's a vibe. Compared to basic boards that feel like bricks and hum like microwaves, the SIMATE is engineered for fun, form, and futuristic flair. Two beefy 250 watts motors power a buttery smooth glide with 3 speed settings, topping out at 8.75 miles per hour without breaking a sweat. And the battery? Long-life lithium tech gives you up to 7.5 miles of non-stop swagger. All this on a UL 2272 certified frame that doesn't just look sharp, it keeps you safe while you roll. Rain, shine, or light sprinkle, the 6.5 inches solid tires grip like a dream. This beast takes the kid's toy stereotype and shreds it. Time is money, and SIMATE saves both. Skip the gas, avoid the carpool chaos, and cruise to class, errands, or the backyard in seconds. Want to track your stats, flex on your friends, or change your lights on the fly? Download the XS Car app and customize your ride with a few taps. It's fully rechargeable, fully controllable, and fully fabulous. Plus, the app lets you lock in your speed mode, check your juice level, and more. No wires. No waiting. Just wheels and wow. Affordable, futuristic, and tested by real riders of all ages, the SIMATE doesn't just compete, it crushes. Other hoverboards might have lights. This one has attitude. It's built with non-slip foot pads, aluminum armor, and precision balance tech that feels smarter than your last GPS. With 220 pounds of rider support, even adults can join the fun, no judgment zone here. Need a gift that actually gets used? Kids scream. Teens flex. Parents sneak rides. SIMATE wins birthdays and holidays every single time. In a world of meh, the SIMATE is your electric mic drop. This isn't just a cool ride, it's a conversation starter, a head turner, and possibly the most fun you can have on 2 wheels, legally. Whether you're zipping through a park, vibing down the driveway, or lighting up the sidewalk like a one-person parade, this hoverboard makes you the main character. Buy it for your kid, keep it for yourself. You'll thank us later. Ready to roll?